What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to give an award to a Reddit post. If you're new to Reddit, or even if you've been there for a long time, you've probably seen rewards on posts or comments, and it's just like little icons with names on there, and it is kind of confusing how it works and what exactly they mean, but I'll be showing you exactly how to do that and exactly what they mean in this step here. And Reddit sometimes give away free rewards, but most of the time, if you want to give a reward, you're going to have to buy coins with real money. I know it's kind of stupid, but if you get lucky, every once in a while, Reddit will give you a free reward, and you could just save that for the best post that you've seen in the last couple weeks. So basically, what you're going to do in order to give an award is you're just going to head over to a post or a comment that you want to give the award to. And I'm just going to head over to a random MMA post. And obviously, it's just kind of random here, but it's kind of cool to just be able to give it an award anyway. And you could see that I just gave that award to it. You could click on the bottom right hand corner of the post, and it's a little gift icon. Or if you want to go in to give an award on a comment, if you go to the comment itself, there's a bunch of icons at the bottom there, but the one furthest to the left, second furthest to the left, is a little gift icon right next to the three little dots, and that's going to pull up the award menu as well, and you could see all sorts of different awards that you could buy. Some of these cost like as much as like $20 in real life, which is quite a bit to be spending on a virtual award, but to each his own. If you want to do that, go ahead, but personally, I just use the free Reddit awards myself. That's pretty much all there is to it, though, as far as giving awards on Reddit. If you were confused or you had any questions at all on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.